Right here is a Club Car DS. We're gonna take this old headlight off and we're gonna put this new turn signals headlight kit in. We're gonna start off by cutting out the holes for the front lights. They come with these little stencils you can use so you can get the hole the right size. So we're gonna start by cutting out the stencil, put it on there so we can see how big we gotta do this. Okay, we did a rough cut. We're gonna put it right here. We're gonna use the drill to cut it out. So I'm gonna take my drill, I'm gonna start in the corner here, work my way down and go across, and show you how that's done. So it doesn't gotta be perfect, but we're gonna try to aim like right here. I'm gonna take the paper down just so I can show you how it started. Start there, and then you start moving downward with the drill. Alright, so I used my stencil. I got a hole here, hole here, hole here, hole here. I started coming down. But basically we're going to connect the 4 holes and then pull out that, put the headlight in. The drill works really good for this, but we're going to use a little encouragement and use this to try to speed things up a notch. Alright, that only took about 30 seconds. So let's see how the window, whatever window fits, the light fits. Put it in. This is my first time testing it. So as a quick test fit, you can see, wipe away the excess here. You can see it's going to be a nice clean finish here around the edges. You gotta wipe away. This is just, you know, stuff from the grinder. Oh yeah, once you put it in, so I'm gonna do that to all 4 lights and then we'll move on. Headlights in. Nice clean edges. They look good. Alright, we're going to do the back lights now. We're going to pull these out of the stencil here. And this will be the cutout for the back lights. Lights are in. Now we're going to put this control box. Alright, everything's in. Alright, that should be it. Let's test it out. Now, lights are on, off, on. Turn signals this way, turn signals the other way. Test out the horn. Nice, very loud. Okay, let's put on our hazards. Let's check the back. Super bright LEDs. Okay, last thing to test. Turn off the hazards. And let's test our brake lights. So I'm going to be hitting the brake right about now. Oops. There we go. There's your brake lights. It's hard to reach the pedal and record in the back at the same time, but yeah, we had brake lights. So, and let's just put on one turn signal just to kind of see what that's like. Pretty cool. So, we got working street legal. Yeah. I think it looks good. Very bright. Now I gotta put some air in the tire because it's leaning. The tire's low, but that's it. Thank you for watching. That's how it's done.